Introducing the new inspection element for the form designer. Let's build a custom inspection. Start from a template and edit it to your needs. Or, start from scratch with a blank design. Set the form type in the Settings tab. Now click to add an inspection element to your form. Give the element a descriptive label to keep things organized. Then select the subjects of your inspection from either assets, employees, or sites. Click here to edit the default inspection responses and their behaviors. Edit, add, or delete the default response labels. And toggle on or off corrective actions and required comments. Save your responses, and let's start adding some inspection items. Large inspections can be broken down into sections. You can add, edit, or delete sections from your inspection. Let's try editing the default section. Sections have a header, a description, and the ability to embed images to help guide your workers. Add as many line items as you need. You can drag and drop to reorder line items, or delete them if they no longer apply. Save your changes and let's jump to the Preview tab to see what our workers will see. The header, description, and images are at the top of each section. Responses requiring corrective actions or comments alert the workers with red boxes. At the end of the sections, workers will see a preview card of their identified deficiencies. If more information is required, the deficiency will be highlighted in red. And they can click here to be automatically brought to the inspection item requiring attention. The resulting corrective action will be sent to be reviewed and assigned by managers. In this video, you have seen how to create an inspection, set the form type, add an inspection element, customize the inspection element's properties, and preview your design. Thank you for watching. See you next time.